Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon X and Y Randomizer on PC. First, set up your environment with the game ROM, a compatible emulator, and the Randomizer tool. Next, configure seeds and options to control which Pokémon, items, and trainers are randomized. I'll walk you through safe file handling, emulator settings, and testing the randomized ROM so you can enjoy a fresh playthrough without breaking your files. Start by scanning available randomizer options and think about the kind of run you want. Pick species, items, trainer pools, and encounter rules, then test a quick seed to preview the changes. I'll explain how ability and move randomization can alter strategy, and why keeping trainer scaling consistent makes progression fair. You'll get tips for balancing challenge versus fun so your randomized X and Y feel rewarding and playable. After generating a randomized ROM file, patch it carefully and verify the checksum before running it in your emulator. I'll show emulator settings that improve compatibility, like correct region selection and CPU options, and will enable regular save backups to protect progress. You'll learn to use save states sparingly for testing, and how to troubleshoot common errors so you can boot into your fresh, randomized adventure with confidence and minimal fuss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.